Outside grocery stores in Karachi, a remarkable scene has been unfolding over the past 2 weeks. Instead of rushing home after shopping to avoid being exposed to coronavirus, many Pakistanis are pausing outside to offer food, money, or other charity to many people on street with no place to shelter in place. These generous offers are often established with a request to recipient, pray that the coronavirus ends soon. Pakistan has imposed strict containment measures in response to global coronavirus pandemic, including closing schools, banning public gatherings, and shuttering all businesses that don't sell groceries or medicine. But unlike some other countries that have ordered similar measures that affect of prolonged lockdown, here could be much more direct economic and potentially fatal consequences. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan stated that 25% of Pakistanis cannot afford to eat 2 times a day, as many countries choose more stringent lockdown measures and forces people to stay home. Many daily wages earners here, from a street food vendors to a shoe shiner, now haven't earned a single rupee in a week, and they are going hungry. If we shut down the cities, we save them from coronavirus at one end, but they will die from a hunger on the other side. Pakistan doesn't have the conditions that are in the United States or in Europe. Our country has grave poverty, but it also has hope. With the pandemic, Pakistanis are bonding together to assist the less fortunate in a unique and inspiring way. Especially many are offering zakat, the traditional Muslim charity tax, for daily wage earners who gave no paid leave, health insurance, and no financial safety net. In Arabic, zakat translates to that which purify, and according to 5 pillars of Islam, it is one of the most important religious duty for Muslims. This mandatory alms giving is calculated at 2.5% of people annual excess wealth. Strict parameters exist outlining the nisab or a threshold beyond which Muslim assets become liable for zakat, as well who are eligible to receive it, stemming from the belief that this world is transient and all is restored from the benevolence of a creator. Zakat upholds the idea that those less fortunate have a share in everything that community temporarily own. While many around the world are focused on physical cleanliness, during the coronavirus outbreak, Dr. Imtiaz Ahmed Khan, a molecular biologist at Hamdard University in Karachi, likens zakat to a spiritual cleansing, quoting the popular Pakistani expression "Paisa haath ki mail hai," money is like a dirt on someone's hand. Zakat removes impurity from wealth. Dr. Khan added, "I am answerable if any of my neighbors go to bed hungry. How can I have an overstocked pantry while one of my neighbors is in need?" The spirit of generosity is firmly handwired into Pakistan's DNA. In fact, throughout the world, 47 Muslim majority nations, zakat contributions are typically voluntary, but Pakistan is one of the 6 countries in which it is mandated and collected by the government. Furthermore, according to Rizwan Hussain, author of the Oxford Encyclopedia of Islamic World, Pakistan is the only country to have established in the name of Islam, and this devout spirituality is reflected in its law. According to a report by a Stanford Social Innovation Review, Pakistan contributes more than 1% of its GDP to charity, placing it among far wealthier countries like United Kingdom 1.3% and Canada 1.2%, and around twice what India gives relative to its GDP. And nationwide study found that 98% of Pakistanis give to charity or volunteer their time, a figure that far exceeds the number of people who are legally obligated to offer zakat. As a nation, we might not have a lot, but we have big hearts, said Mohammad Sohail Khan, a Pakistani living in Loughborough, UK. Just visit any village and they will open their homes to you. Putting others first in our culture, we have seen suffering, we have empathy and compassion. We might even have too much of it, as widespread education will be required to convince the masses that social distancing is not the same as abandoning your neighbor. As the coronavirus spreads, many Pakistanis have been giving far more than the required 2.5% of zakat, while others who don't earn enough to qualify for zakat are offering as much charity as they can. As so far, these donations are being mobilized swiftly. In a sense, Pakistani view of power of zakat and religious charity to be a cosmic forces. And in the face of pandemic, these powers are being ramped up in the hope that the crisis will end soon. We Pakistani believe that one good deed begets another, and perhaps our generosity will spread faster than the virus, armed with unwavering belief that humanity at large will benefit. We are trying our best to provide a cushion to those who need assistance and hope to those who need hope.